Ever wondered what your car is really saying? With the MUCAR CDL20 Universal OBD2 scanner, you can decode the hidden messages of your vehicle's engine. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Weekly Tools. Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and user-friendly OBD2 scanners on the market, the MUCAR CDL20 Universal OBD2 scanner. Whether you're a DIY mechanic or a car enthusiast, this scanner promises to deliver advanced features at an affordable price. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. The MUCAR CDL20 comes with the scanner unit, a USB cable for updates, a user manual, and a protective carrying case to keep it safe in your toolbox. This is a sleek, compact, and durable scanner that fits comfortably in your hand. It's lightweight but feels sturdy enough to handle the wear and tear of daily use. Now let's get into the important stuff: features and compatibility. The MUCAR CDL20 is a universal OBD2 scanner, meaning it supports all OBD2 protocols and works on most cars made after 1996. It's compatible with American, European, and Asian vehicles, covering cars, SUVs, light trucks, and even some hybrids. No matter your car's make, the CDL20 has got you covered. Check engine light MIL diagnosis. You can read and clear trouble codes with ease. This is perfect if your check engine light suddenly pops up. Live data stream. The CDL20 can display real-time sensor data from your vehicle's engine, transmission, and other systems, allowing you to monitor things like fuel trims, RPM, and more. Readiness test. Planning for a smog check? You can run an emissions readiness test to see if your car is ready for an inspection. Freeze frame data. View the conditions of your car when a fault code was triggered, such as engine load, temperature, speed, etc. Kent. O2 sensor and evap system testing. Run diagnostic tests on your O2 sensors and evap systems to pinpoint issues with your car's fuel efficiency. One thing I love about the CDL20 is its 3.5-inch color display. It's bright and easy to read, even under direct sunlight. The CDL20 supports free lifetime updates via a USB connection. This ensures your scanner stays up to date with the latest car models and diagnostic protocols. It also comes with excellent customer support and a 1-year warranty, so you're covered in case anything goes wrong. Beyond the standard functions, the MUCAR CDL20 offers some handy extras like DTC lookup, where you can instantly see the meaning of a code without needing a separate app or book. There's also data logging, a feature that allows you to record live data for further analysis. The menu is simple to navigate with well-labeled buttons. The plug-and-play functionality means you just connect it to your car's OBD2 port and start diagnosing right away. No batteries are needed. The device is powered directly by your car. Beyond the standard functions, the MUCAR CDL20 offers some handy extras like DTC lookup, where you can instantly see the meaning of a code without needing a separate app or book. There's also data logging, a feature that allows you to record live data for further analysis. Priced affordably, it's a great investment for any car enthusiast who wants to stay ahead of potential issues and keep their vehicle in top shape. So who is the MUCAR CDL20 perfect for? Whether you're a DIYer looking to save on mechanic bills. In summary, the MUCAR CDL20 Universal OBD2 scanner is a compact, versatile, and reliable tool that gives you access to powerful diagnostics at your fingertips. With live data, compatibility with a wide range of vehicles, and lifetime updates, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Weekly Tools for more reviews and tips on the best tools for your garage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.